Oh yes, FDR was talking about good game. I mean, they got a Zao. That means something.
What the hell is that team?
Okay,
Maybe they have a plan. I don't know what it is, but maybe they have a plan.
Maybe.
Des Moines, Kurfürst, Petron A, double Stalin, and Yuyango C flank.
Double Stalingrad, Yoyan goes which flank? A?
C
C.
flank, C.
flank.
Because the Des Moines got a strong position on G3 with the island. I hope he has radar this time.
What's you want me to say?
Who had radar?
It's radar.
Who?
It doesn't fit
There we go.
What the hell?
Flamu. You had radar. Ah yes.
Oh,
What the
Cyclone
fuck?
again.
What the
Like-
fuck? Again? What is going on? This is kind of confusing, not gonna lie. FDR quality game player 86. What the fuck? How do you get a 27% win rate in the
I'm
FDR?
going to avoid 3 for 2. Avoid, am I going to avoid? Kick.
Can't carry games in the FDR.
The way you have a 27% win rate in an FDR is you get FDR and think that it makes you a good CV player.
Probably.
Yeah.
I mean, he got 86
After not having,
average,
after not playing CVs.
6,000 battles and what fuck? Just... yes. Oh yeah, let's see. Who gets to just dodge first? Let's see.
You want a fighter in your back for the FDR planes?
We have only two radar.
Hold it for now, because I think you'll need it later.
Can't I see the FDR planes? I can see them on the map, but not.
8 kilometer spotting.
the
That's
actual
why, my
battlefield.
boy. 8 kilometer spotting.
Nope.
Yeah,
My spotting range is actually still 30 kilometers.
Oh, for planes it's 8 kilometers.
Really?
Yep. Oh fuck my life. I don't want to eat damage at the beginning. Are this like midway? No, audacious dive bombers, if you remember, right?
Well, they have a FDR this time.
Level bombers, yes.
This is gonna go for me probably.
I'm
Fighters?
getting
Yeah,
perma spotted by this for the FDR, which is annoying.
Still fighting now, that's good.
There we go, I just shot all down all these planes.
Did it? Oh, fighters didn't activate. Fuck.
Am I gonna try and cap A? Is that what's gonna happen here, or?
I think I'm gonna park in A cap.
I think I'm gonna actually smoke up the stunning.
They have a Zao?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, I was saying, like,
Going wide on A, as it seems.
hey, stunning
a
red, have
citadel,
fun.
bro.
I'm smoking up for you,
Nice.
so you can shoot without penalty.
I'm gonna
And
go
this-
far to get the crossfire.
Nice.
I'm gonna sit here and wait for Horn.
Beaming up at 28
How
knots.
didn't they? How did they not get spotted? There we go.
Detected by the Holland.
Oh, Halland hops. Ooh.
He's
You
close
can
on the
radar,
radar.
that means. Yeah, you can radar, bro.
Surface spotted,
Wait,
but
what
that
the
doesn't
fuck?
mean anything. I've
Oh,
got 16 kilometer
Petro's
surface
going
spotting
for
range.
it. He's
Oh, gotta turn in.
bow in now.
Petro in front of me.
Yep. I'm radared by the Petro.
This Stalingrad needs to push up a little bit.
Nevsky
I'm pushing
shot
up.
one side.
Range. Starting the magic. Oh,
Fuck,
the Petro set me on fire with his second salvo. Oh no, actually it was the Nevsky is shooting HE.
Des Moines, what are you doing? Are you gonna push forward further, or are you stopping?
I'm stopping
I'm
to
going to
reverse.
crossfire on the Petro. I'm
Okay.
going to try to use
I
it.
want the angle.
Oh shit.
Yeah, it's just I can't shoot because
Broadside
my
on me.
flat firing.
Monty has broadside on me, can someone busy him please?
I need to get out of here right now because
Cyclone is happening.
and carrier is happening.
That Petro shooting HE, really?
Yeah, the Petro is shooting HE on me because I'm angled.
Yeah, but you could just shoot.
Against him.
He could just shoot your superstructure.
Oh, he could entirely miss me. On 9.5 kilometers. Talking about Russian accuracy. I'm slowly moving forward.
This carrier planes.
Petro beached.
Okay.
I realized it too late, so my salvo went into the island.
Oh,
Whoa!
Wait, is that the Asian?
Holland is beach as well.
Yeah, Haaland, come on. I'm gonna smoke up
Right, okay, I'm gonna
for
get
me
the
right now because
Yeah, that's
I'm
fine.
gonna give you the smoke soon. It lasts long enough. Just go for the Haaland.
Yeah, he's baiting
Yeah.
torps, definitely.
13 and Nevsky's not inside there. But okay, maybe he is.
That's torp
Yeah,
RNG.
he should-
Where's the
he should-
Nevsky?
Come on, you hit them. Go for the
Montana showing
Haaland.
broadside.
Shitty Haaland.
Nevsky. Oh yes, turn your broadside, boy.
You have radar?
Raider.
Yeah.
4 over penetrations on a broadside Nevsky. Are you kidding me? Excuse me, sir.
Ara, my ass is blasted.
He's gonna.
Can
be
you
trouble.
stop shooting me for fuck's sake?
Oh,
They're hitting
no.
I'm gonna
me.
die.
Don't fall back. I'm pushing that Nevsky.
No, you're not gonna die. You're not allowed. Oh, for fuck's sake, you die.
Hey, careful, the Montana has you
This is so
broadside.
sad. Can we get 50 likes?
Montana's not a problem. I
Stalingrad,
think the
get
Zao
back,
wants to
get
top
back,
rush me.
get back.
Or the Hinden. I'm gonna try to pull back.
Reverse, simply reverse.
If he reverses, he's gonna get blapped by Montana.
Off. Yeah, is the Montana?
I gotta try to hold
Wait,
position.
no.
Wait.
Probably.
I gotta
He's
go
not
try
in-
to sit the.
The Montana is aiming A, so he can reverse.
Yeah, he's not in spotting range. That's what.
If he tries to. Oh shit, Zao's trying actually.
Yeah, I'm
It's
currently
coming
having-
up.
I'm just
Zao
trying
has
to copy the beat right now.
angles though, so I'm not that afraid because he needs to show like some serious broadside to
When you pass to
even
the
launch them.
drops,
Fuck,
it's
I messed
quite
up.
funny.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna eat
He
a
is-
bunch of those torps. Saw them too late.
It's only FDG tops. It's only FDG. FDR. I mean,
Surprisingly low damage.
yeah, it's FDR tops. That's why.
I am hit. Fuck, I need to help the Stalingrad. Fuck. Is he pushing?
Oh,
The Zao is really
Both of
trying
them
to
are hard
beat
to
us.
Hello.
Reversing, keep reversing. I'm sending
oh, I
tops
just
to
got
Ray.
blapped. I just got blapped.
Yeah,
Don't beat.
I'm just going to bait him. And try to break his guns. Okay, I broke his
More
guns.
FDR torps now. And he's probably kill me with that.
The Hindenburg is still
I'm flooding and burning. And the Montana is pushing up on me.
Keep reversing, boy. That's.
Yeah, try to bait him in.
The only thing keeping me alive right now is my heal.
He has Hydra running.
Yes.
I think.
I'm gonna try and round the Montana.
Well, he's gonna
gonna
show
shoot
broadside. He's gonna launch torpedoes,
What's
I
gonna
think.
launch? Hit. Yeah.
Oh, good shot. Try to break.
I cannot.
Hindenburg's
If you
gun.
reverse more, no, I don't.
I'm
think
gonna reverse straight. I'm gonna just keep on breaking Hindenburg's guns. I think I can.
Okay, I got FDR.
Yeah. I think I got it.
Good job, LTR.
Montana cannot over.
Nice one.
Des Moines,
I'm
Des
going
Moines, if
to,
you angle, the Montana cannot overmatch you. If you angle. So
Yes, he
Sorry.
can.
Bow in.
Bow-in will not work against the Montana.
I just Citadel a bit Montana. Double Citadel, I mean.
Keep reversing.
Okay, Hindenburg's front guns. One of them. Only one of them is working.
Torpedoes
Is he
coming to the
hydering?
Hinden.
Is he hydering?
Not at the Monty. Cook.
I blew up his turret.
A whole bunch of over penetrations.
His bait was legendary.
Oh, that's good bait.
Nice work with the Montana, JB.
Come on.
Whoa, what the fuck, boy?
Yeah, Montana melts to the Des Moines when he's not prepared.
Well, I mean, I don't think anyone noticed. I got 12 Citadels on the bloody Des Moines. On the
Yes.
Montana just said.
Yes, it can Citadel at close range.
I'm gonna try the blind shot to shoot Nevsky.
Wait, FDR has so many planes. I've still got planes coming after me.
Yep, it's like 14 or 16 or something.
We won this. Good job.
Good job on the FDR kill. That was really useful.
Oh,
This
It's
This
annoying.
bait on the UC flank. Oh, everyone pushing.
Yeah. They were so greedy to kill me.
Yes. Like, you can forget about killing a Starling red nose tanking.
Especially when he has a DD support.
And also, they ended up stop firing because I broke all their guns. I just like Hindenburg had one front gun left, and Zhao also had one front gun because I've kept on breaking them.
Incapacitate them or really break them?
Incapacitated Zhao and broke Hindenburg.
Ouch.
Ouch.
So you disabled the weak armor turrets and killed the better armor turrets.
I don't know how.
The Zaw 8 torps a little bit earlier.
Yeah.
Now it's time to shoot the Des Moines friendly fire. Let's go. Aww.
GG, everyone.
Oh, the
GG.
kill.
Yes. Imagine playing a Zao.
Imagine.
I know, right?
See, I thought AA didn't exist in this game, but I keep on getting so much AA damage that I don't understand.
It clearly is the CV mains that are right here.
I got 63k that game.
37.7k AA damage and only 6 planes shut down.
I had 21 planes shut
I need to
down.
post this. This is so retarded. I need to post this with the
Sorry, 9 planes. Oh, I scored a citadel. Where?
Snowflakes.
Oh, New Year's event.
Yeah, new dev block. Oh, New Year's.
On the Nevsky.
Submerged camo.
That's a lot of death block.